Floating out into the wild like there's no one round for
Tulad na sinabi ko, lumaki ka na may pananampalataya sa Diyos, huwag kang matakot sa Kanya, lumapit ka. Kung may problema sa atin, may hiling, lapit lang. Laging may Diyos.
faster, and we've gotta chase this light. Let all our shooting stars align. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Won't you look at how we come alive? Take my hand and we can watch this grow.
Happy birthday, Levy! Happy first birthday, Levy! Sana maging masaya ka sa buhay mo. Tandaan mo na andito lang kami lagi, pamilya mo, laging nakasuporta sa'yo. Yan lang, mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday, Levy!
It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Yeah, it's our time. Yeah, it's our time. Look how we shine. It's our time. It's our time. Happy birthday, Levy!
Maraming salamat kasi dumating ka sa amin. Matagal ka namin hiniling. Kaya bibigay namin lahat kung ano yung kaya namin ibigay.
And now it seems I'm 6 or 7. Good God, I'm gonna feel this in the morning. But I don't care right now. I'm gonna keep this party going. So light me up.
Happy birthday, anak. Alam ko hindi mo pa to hindi mo pa to alam, hindi mo pa alam kung ano nangyayari, pero soon naman mapapanood mo to. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng daddy mo. Sana pakabait ka lang, anak. Always good health. Okay na kami ng daddy mo. Happy birthday.
To the beat, that's called I like it. It's 3:30.
Hi, baby Levinus! Happy birthday! Be a good kid. I love you always.
Habang buhay ka namin mamahalin. Ayun, lumaki kang healthy, mapagmahal sa tita, sa tito, sa lola, sa lolo, lahat-lahat.
A face I've never seen, her body close to me, and suddenly there's nothing in between. Keep moving to the beat, that's called I like it. It's 3:30. Good God, I'm gonna feel this in the morning.
Hello, Levy! Happy birthday and welcome to the Christian world. And sana, sobrahan mo pa yung kulit mo para mas masaya tayo. Yung makulit na makulit, mas masaya. Tsaka huwag ka magkakasakit. Lalo na huwag ka magkakasipuna. Love you, Levy. I love you, love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Levi! Lumaki ka sanang malusog, matalinong bata at higit sa lahat, mabait at malapit kay Lord. Lumaki ka sanang matagumpay at mapagmahal kay Lord. Happy birthday! I love you!